Alright guys, so welcome back. Now the time is coming, we need to pay crypto tax. So this is for everybody who are in the UK and who make some profit from crypto, especially if you make profit and if you transfer to your bank account. If you use Binance or Coinbase or KuCoin or wherever you use and you make some profit and you transfer money to your bank account, make sure you pay crypto tax. Now stay tuned for the next 2 minutes. You will find out how you can get discount for the best accounting in UK. Now, first thing first, I'm not financial advisor. I'm not giving you any financial advice. That's why I'm doing this video. So I make small profit last year. I was very lucky, small. I lost a lot, but I make a little bit. Now, so I say, okay, I need to go. So I went here to Coinly, checking how much I need to pay. Then you need to put your income, you need to put this, you need to put that. But listen, I say, why I'm not going and find somebody who know the job, who is professional for that, okay? So I went and I find the best accounting, and pretty cool. I went there, we have a meeting, Zoom meeting, like in the next couple of days. I contact him, I say, look, I made small profit, I want to pay tax, how much I need to pay. We have for free. You can have Zoom meeting, you can meet him in person, you know, and then they will let you know how much you need to pay. And the best thing is, it's free to let you know. Then if you want to use them, they will charge you some money. Of course, it's accounting. Now, if you want to get discount, drop me an DM in my Telegram, okay? The Telegram is in my description, and I will send you their email address from the best accounting for crypto in the UK. So make sure you drop me an email, and you must use the code CryptoPhil. So when you send them an email, make sure you tell them CryptoPhil send me, okay? So they will give you discount. So that's the best way. So if you go and Google, you will see, do I need to pay tax on crypto in UK? If you buy, and basically if you make money and if you transfer, yes, make sure you pay some tax. Now, is it capital gain? Is it this kind of tax? Is it that kind of tax? I don't want to worry because there's somebody else who worry for that, okay? So that's about it. This is short video. If you're very interesting, who is the accounting, I cannot give you the name right here in the video. However, drop me DM in my Telegram. The Telegram is in the description in this video, and I will send you their email address, and then you can go and contact them. And don't forget to say CryptoPhil send me. Again, pay your taxes wherever you are. It doesn't matter what country, go and pay your taxes. There are different ways, but you know, you have a different calculators to find out how much money you need to pay. Go and use them. But for me, the best was just go find somebody, let them know how much you made, how much you lost, and they will do calculation for you. Thank you so much. Till the next one. I do I, and you do you. Goodbye.